Hi, I'm Paul Seal from CodeShare.co.uk, and today I wanted to show you a tool which is on my website which you probably don't know is there. So if you go onto CodeShare.co.uk, go to Security Headers. This website is to help you with securing your website, and specifically to help you with the config settings that you need on a .NET website for things like XFrame Options, cross-site scripting protection, and things like that. So let me explain a bit more. If you go to website securityheaders.io and you put in the URL of your website, so I'll do codeshare.co.uk and then click on scan. It will come up with several issues that are wrong with your website if you have any issues. So on mine I get an A. You can get an A+. The reason I've not got an A+ is because of some I'm allowing things like inline script and unsafe eval or something like that, but I'm happy with that. I made a choice to still allow that. So XFrame Options, I've got same origin, I've got block on the cross-site scripting mode. So if we have a look at this options, I said same origin. This tool that I've got here, if we look down at the bottom, it starts giving you the config rules to put in on your web config file. So include referrer, so I will say same origin on that. Well, what did I actually say? Include referrer. Referrer policy, no referrer. So I just chose that. Includes cross-site scripting protection. One mode equals block. So I said block on that one. And if we scroll down to here, we can see all of these are getting built up for us. What else are we looking at? The next one, include cross-domain. I've said none. And then content type options. And this, I said no sniff. Now, for some reason, content type options. Oh yeah, it says no sniff. So that puts that in there for you by default. So that's built those ones for us, and that's all well and good, and that's really helpful. But also, you need a content security policy to say that you're allowing images to load from, say, Google Analytics, or scripts to load from Google Analytics at least. So there's all sorts of places that you might have third-party scripts that you need to load on your page. And when you come to this website here and you get a bad rating, it will tell you need to add some sort of rules. So what I've created is something to enable you to easily manage these rules. So at the moment we've got no policy there. What we can do is we could start typing them out, because this is just one long value. If you see this here, you could just start typing them out like this, and it all starts to light up. So if I said I'm happy for Google Analytics, I can't remember if that's the correct domain, but if you notice, as I've started typing that, this has all kicked in, and it allows you to manage these in here. So actually I want to do add another one, https, I don't know, facebook.com or whatever it is. So I need to add in all these rules for all these different things. So they're my default ones. Or maybe I don't want those. And notice that the rule updates at the top here as well. Not only does it do that, it also puts it in at the bottom here, so you can just grab it with your config settings. So let's say I've got a policy already, I just want to edit that policy. Well, if you get that policy, you can just copy and paste it from here. So I'm going to grab mine, copy and paste it into here, and then we just watch and how it just all goes into this user interface. So we can manage these, we can reorder them. Soon I'm going to look at doing like sort alphabetically and remove duplicates for you, but it just makes them a lot more manageable. So we can see all of these, and we can add more in. So I might want to add one there, facebook.com. You see what I mean? And that all gets updated into your value at the bottom here, that you can just grab, copy and paste. So that's what I wanted to show you anyway. So this is how you can easily manage these. Now, how does this differ to the report URI one? Well, let's go to report URI and have a look. So we've got tools, and then we've got CSP builder. Now the difference with this one is you can enter your current one. So let's copy this, enter your current one, and then import. So it does it like this, and it ticks them to say if you've got a rule set up for these. But the rule just stays in this one long string text box, which I don't like. I don't find that very manageable. That's why, say if we were on style source, so I need to update these. What I wanted was this, where I could just go into here, style source, and I can edit them. I can see them all individually, and it's definitely useful for an existing policy that you want to manage. So that's it. So it's just codechair.co.uk/tools/security-headers, or you can get it from the menu, and it's there. It's a free tool. I built it using JavaScript and jQuery just as a challenge for myself. I enjoyed making it, and hopefully you'll enjoy using it. It might make your life a bit easier, especially for adding these rules. So if you do like it, please click on like, subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of videos about web development, Umbraco, all sorts of things like that. And also, just as an extra side note, I've got a new Patreon page. So if you go to codechair.co.uk/Patreon, you'll be able to get to my Patreon page, or you could just go www.patreon.com/codechair. I've got several tiers. If you want to support me, say if you like my videos, you like my blog posts, and you want to show your support by signing up to Patreon, or maybe you already are on there, and you want to just pledge an amount, you can do. So I've got all different tiers. I've got $1 for the supporter, $5 for the fan. So I'll thank you on the supporter. On the fan, I'll thank you, and I'll send you some stickers. So you'll have to put your address and I'll send you stickers. Superfan gets access, so gets everything above, plus they get access to the exclusive Slack group where you can ask me questions, things like that. The Skype buddy, you'll get one-to-one support via Skype, and that was $90 a month. The footer sponsor, say if you want to be a sponsor on my website, you can get your company on the website like this. So if you get your logo in the footer of all blog posts, so let's say my most popular post here, and you'll get your link, so you'll get the SEO benefit of being linked to from my website, and you'll get your link and your logo on every blog post. And what else? Then there's a headline sponsor, so that will be, you get to have your advert here instead of the Google ad at the top of the page. Your advert will be there first, and that is only for one sponsor per month. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please, if you feel like it, please join up to Patreon and support me, and I look forward to making more videos, and I really do hope you find that tool useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.